Working on this 2020 Honda Accord. Let's go around here first. Pretty ass car. I love that blue. Not purple, but it's blue. 2020. Boy, I don't know if I'm gonna tell the owner this one. Got a whole bunch of codes in here. Let me see if I can get this right. Sorry about this. Nope. I got two in the fuel injection system, I guess you can call it. Engine. Two codes there. Two codes in the body module. Two in the power control. I got two for the cam sensor. That's the ones in the engine. Right. Two in the power control unit. One's for the ignition circuit. That's the ignition lock button. You know, when you push the button, it goes click, click. Unlock, ignition latch. And then power control unit. Ooh boy. Power control unit. They're also tied into those two. And let's see what makes this so crazy. I think they drove it here. I'm pretty sure they drove the car here. Yep, it started. Got everything on the dashboard lit up like a Christmas tree, though. Check engine, adaptive cruise. Like a train going by there. Collision. Oh yeah. Road departure. Stay on target. Stay on target. Auto high beams problems. Oh yeah. So those are all the codes. I don't see no accessory camera or anything. That button's lit up. And it turns off. And it turns off. Brake light stays on, but probably because the brake's on. Anywho, before I clear anything, I made a report of all the codes I saw. And I said, let me just open the hood and take a look. Because you know what I think. Is that aftermarket? That's an aftermarket. I think that's an aftermarket alarm. I'm pretty sure. I gotta see when they put that in. First thing I see is this. I'm pretty sure that's a cam sensor. And that looks like some teeth marks, like something's been chewing. You know where we go from there. Wow. Everybody gotta always stop and check shit in front of my shop. That's a whole nother problem. So, yeah, I see some droppings down there. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. So that'll put the code for the cam sensors. But for the other stuff, I don't know. Damn. I wonder if that triggered the ignition code. I don't think so. It could be. Alright. I gotta go tell them about this first. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is fix these wires. A lot of droppings down there. I'll fix those and clear all the codes and see if the other ones for the ignition come back. Maybe they choose something somewhere else. Maybe. Who knows? So I have to push in on this piece. And you look in there. Let me get some light. Okay, so what I gotta do. Hold up. So inside of there, there's these little tabs. Hold up. See those little tabs at the top, further down? The middle one looks like it's a little bit higher than the other two. That's because I did that one. I'm going to try to pull off this one. That far left one. So you got to push it up and then you can slide the little clip out. And I use this guy to slide it up. Push that in there like so. Get that sucker to push up. Sometimes when you get it pushed up, you can pull it up. Let me try to straight pick one. Firecracker. You do move. I don't want to grind just to get through. Trying to spend mine like I'm meant to. I can feel you moving. Learn from different cultures. Okay, once you get the little clip out, you open up this end up top. Open up those and spread those. It's a little seam there. See it open right there. Spread that mother. She likes to change with the seasons. She likes to change with the seasons. Be myself and I bring. We don't see the same no more. Always switching on the home. I swim and I've been here before. I'd rather bet it on me. Get it open enough, you can slide that little orange dust protector, moisture protector, environment off. Slide that off. And this is the blue wire. This is a little blue there, or blue and white. So now, pull this wire up to that groove, opening, like so. Cut that sucker off. She likes to change with the seasons. She likes to change with the seasons. Be myself and I bring. Cut it down like so. Always switching on the home team. I swim and I've been here before. I'd rather bet it on me. You slept on
on me way too long. Get your blankets off me. Get your blankets off me. Don't wanna be on a map no more. You can't see where I'm going. We approach an intersection, but no ground, it's lost connections. Days turn to weeks, I'm a mess, yeah. But God knows that I need a lesson. If you could take away all the pressure, way less depression, I can't impress you. You're taking the words from me. It's like I forget to speak. You're stuck in a circle of thoughts. Just give me your therapy. And I couldn't stand to believe it. And I do no wrong, I just leave it. She likes to change with the seasons. She likes to change with the seasons. And now she done up, bun up. It's like this all summer. Think of words that you cannot mutter. What up? She a full-time stunner. And now she done up, bun up. It's like this all summer. Think of words that you cannot mutter. What up? She a full-time stunner. You're taking the words from me. It's like I forget to speak. You're stuck in a circle of thoughts. Just give me your therapy. And I couldn't stand to believe it. And I do no wrong, I just leave it. She likes to change with the seasons. She likes to change with the seasons. Me, myself, and Irene. We don't see the same no more. Always switching on the home team. I swear, man, I've been here before. I'd rather bet it on me. You slept on me way too long. Get your blankets off me. Get your blankets off me. You're a mess and my mind is racing. Everything stops when I gotta chase it. Figured you would bring me up, but you started with me down. Couple steps that are miles wasted. Take a red eye, say you can't erase it, but I'm always showing up. Every time you break down, you're taking the words from me. It's like I forget to speak. You're stuck in a circle of thoughts. Just give me your therapy. And I couldn't stand to believe it. And I do no wrong, I just leave it. She likes to change with the seasons. She likes to change with the seasons. Me, myself, and Irene. We don't see the same no more. Always switching on the home team. I swear, man, I've been here before. I'd rather bet it on me. You slept on me way too long. Get your blankets off me. Get your blankets off me. Don't wanna be on a map no more. You can't see where I'm going. We approach an intersection, but no ground, it's lost connections. Days turn to weeks, I'm a mess, yeah. But God knows that I need a lesson. If you could take away all the pressure, way less depression, I can't impress you. You're taking the words from me. It's like I forget to speak. You're stuck in a circle of thoughts. Just give me your therapy. And I couldn't stand to believe it. And I do no wrong, I just leave it. She likes to change with the seasons. She likes to change with the seasons. And now she done up, bun up. It's like this all summer. Think of words that you cannot mutter. What up? She a full-time stunner. And now she done up, bun up. It's like this all summer. Think of words that you cannot mutter. What up? She a full-time stunner.
So this is how I did the other end. You saw me do the connector end, but then the wiring end, I use a smaller version of these guys. The way they work is that's solder in the middle, and the blue stuff is the glue that seals like a weather, keep the moisture and stuff out. And you heat it up. You put 2 wires in there. You heat it up. The solder melts. The heat shrink. The whole tube collapse around the wire, and then the blue melts and becomes a seal barrier. So I use these on the other end and then fix the connector end. And those things come in different sizes. Big yellows, blues like and then they got a little red one. Also got a little tiny one in there somewhere. But yeah, that's what I use. I like those things. Maybe get some more. Okay, so first I'm going to spray the engine bay with this. This is after I power wash bone out of there. So spray a little bit around there. When I'm coming back up here. Ooh, you can smell it. Definitely gonna come back up here. Soak that piece. Next is the peppermint oil. This one I gave it a little baptism or holy water spray on it. So mouse, rodent, whatever you are, stay away from this car. I'm in the little sprinkle here. We'll sprinkle around there and let us pray. Stay away.
That's how I repaired it with this tape. And I left this open because if you look at like an original, that's an original one there. You can see how it's wrapped and it's got this inside and you can still see the pen. So kind of mimic that.
Boy, I can smell the peppermint spray now. But there it is. All done. All clean. My work is done. No more coats in the dash.